Okay, and that is number 1089, Mr Robert Grimes,
Mae'r het wedi diosg ar enillydd yn y dosbarth yma i'r Ebolion sy'n arferch blwydd yn adran y Ceffylau Chwaraeon yn mynd i Mr Robert Sgraen a Ma Larkin. Ac Dylan Kits yn dangos ar rhan Mr Robert Sgraen. A Dylan wedi gweithio'n hynod galed i ennill y dosbarth yma pob chwarae teg iddo fo.
Llongyffiadau i chi Mr Robert Sgraen a Ma Larkin yn mynd ar safle cyntaf. Second place goes to number 800. This is Ms Marta Karuchka at Midnight Dreamer, also successful here in the Coloured Horse and Ponies yesterday. In third place we have number 1088. This is Mr and Mrs C.W. Reese's Heatherton Little Ted. In fourth place.
All right. Are you all right? Yeah, good. Well done.
Apologies. Third place. We have.
Well, you work particularly hard to win that class. You can see you're keeping the horse content and trying to get his attention.
Yeah, she's a youngster, take a bit holding on to sometimes, today, but it's all good and fun, and I'm lucky to be given the chance to show such nice horses by Wynne, my boss, who's been awesome to me, and outside people as well.
Oh, well done. You've got a championship now.
Yeah.
Nervous?
Very nervous.
Oh, well, you keep working as hard, you'll be great.
Thank you. Yeah. We have 1084. Mr and Mrs Malcolm Jones's Battles Gent, and in sixth place, number 853. Mrs Lucy Griffiths, Penstrumley Valentino, again the winner in the classes here yesterday. Llongyffiadau mawr I chi'n wir. We'll be moving immediately on then to the championship of the sports horse section, and then of course swiftly on to the section C. Llongyffiadau mawr I chi'n wir.
Mr Robert Sgraen yn ennill y dosbarth i'r Ebolion sy'n arferch blwydd yn adran y Ceffylau Chwaraeon gyda Ma Larkin. Dylan Kits wedi gwneud job arbennig iawn yn arddangos Ma Larkin ar ei ran.
Followed by Midnight Dreamer, Ystwyth Special K, Heatherton Little Ted, Battles Gent, and Penstrumley Valentino. Llongyffiadau I chi ar ennill dosbarth arbennig o gryf yma yn y Chwaraeon eleni. Byddwn yn symud ymlaen.